to be very frank with you, I think T. Bailey is like family, and that's real.
Named Jeremiah Perry, and I'm with the maintenance department at T. Bailey. May 15th will be my 20th year anniversary this year. I came to T. Bailey as a journey level machinist. I applied for CAD, CAM, and CNC work that they had for the burn table. At the time, they didn't have any positions for that, so I took on sub-arcing and fabrication. I wouldn't say that I mastered any one particular task, but I've been involved anywhere from being a grinder to a foreman for 6 years. Typically have a standard maintenance schedule that we come in and take care of, but as emergencies arise, you wind up responding to multiple different kind of things. You never know if you're going to come into electrical issues, mechanical. Sometimes we're developing machinery for field equipment or shop equipment. We handle everything from snow removal to machinery installations. The thing I really like is being able to grow in everything. I'm not just stuck in one particular item. Even if you come with a different background, it doesn't necessarily mean that you can't be successful. Yeah, my tool bag, it has to change for everything I do.
And safety is their utmost concern. They take it very highly here too. That's one thing that I love about T. Bailey. Safety is a priority.
A lot of people look at different things. They come in and think, well, it's just a job and I'm going to do this and go home and this and that and all. But I mean, we look at it more of, of what you're doing here and where you can set up, okay, do I really want to have a full career here?
I think the company has been really good to me. It's helped me grow as not only as a person, but it's just learning new tools, learning new skills, and I'm still learning. So this company is really great to grow with.